Lawsuit incoming. Getting sued is a real bummer. It's like finding a crack in your foundation, unexpected and stressful. You might feel angry, confused, or even scared. That's okay. It's a normal reaction. But here's the thing, boss. Don't bury your head in the sand like a faulty pipe. Ignoring a lawsuit won't make it disappear. It's like ignoring a leaky faucet. It'll only get worse over time. Remember, even the toughest walls can crumble without proper attention. So let's tackle this head on. First things first, you gotta respond quickly. Think of it like pouring concrete. Timing is everything. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to fix. You wouldn't ignore a flashing warning sign on a construction site, would you? That lawsuit is your warning sign. Ignoring it gives the other side an advantage, like giving them the keys to your safe. You need to level the playing field. So don't delay. Act today. Now, you need the right tools for this job. You shouldn't face a lawsuit without a lawyer. Not just any lawyer, get yourself a construction lawyer. Trust me, they are the general contractors of the legal world. They know the ins and outs, the codes and regulations. A good lawyer can help you understand the lawsuit and build a strong defense. Think of them as your legal hard hat, protecting you every step of the way. Here's the thing about lawsuits. They can drag on. It's like a long-term construction project, sometimes with unexpected delays. But don't get discouraged. Just like you wouldn't abandon a half-built house, don't give up on your case. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep those communication lines open with your lawyer. Remember, even if things quiet down, a lawsuit can resurface months or even years later. It's like that pesky plumbing issue that keeps coming back. Fix it right the first time. So there you have it, folks. Getting sued is never fun, but it's manageable. Stay informed, get the right help, and always be ready to build a solid defense. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's your legal toolbox. So, hit that follow button, like, share, and stay tuned. Because at Hardhats, we've got your back on the legal side of building. See you on site.